Bree Stiles. I'm a fun-loving girl who is down-to-earth, real, and enthusiastic. I think I'm the best candidate for Miss Arena Cross because I have involvement in the sport over the past 7 years as a woman racer and understand the amount of dedication and determination it takes, and feel I can promote that to the fans by inspiring them and showing them what the sport is really all about.
She was a fast machine, she kept the motor clean. She was the best damn woman that I ever seen. She had the sightless eyes, telling me no lies, knocking me out with those American thighs.
Some of my racing accomplishments include taking the Women's District 17 title in both the stadium and outdoor motocross points, as well as taking a 5th from the Vegas US Open, a 13th from the Ponca City Nationals, and being the last amateur woman placed in the Motorcycle Hall of Fame for winning a Supercross championship. Over the past 3 years, I've worked for Toyota Arena Cross as a 30-second board girl, where I've become experienced with promotion, shooting the t-shirt cannon, announcing, and even interviewing the racers during the night program. Throughout the years, I've met so many wholehearted people and truly feel at home around the fans and racers alike. Through the early morning and late night drives to the races, to the intense battle for the lead, I've fallen in love with every aspect of the sport.